Hello everyone. In this example, we will use the approach call by value result. As you can see, Z is actual parameter and X is formal parameter. And in call by value result, the value of formal parameter will get copied into the value of actual parameter at the end of function. It is similar like call by value except this concept that the value of formal will get copied into actual parameter at the end of function. So now we'll move forward with this function main. So z equals to 1, z equals to 1, p of z, so p of 1. Now p of z, when this p function will be called, so p of 1, so p of 1, x equals to x plus 1, p of 1, z is actual parameter, and in call by value result the actual and formal parameter will get stored in different memory. Z equals to 1 and x equals to x will also be equals to 1. Now x equals to x plus 1, which means x equals to 2. Now z equals to z plus 2, which means z is initially 1, so z equals to z plus 1 is, which means 3. Now this function has been ended, so p of z has been completed. Now print of z, now this print of z statement will move forward, so print of z. And in this call by value result, we know the concept that at the end of function the value of formal parameter will get copied into the value of actual parameter. So here the value of formal, which is x, so the value of x will get copied into the value of z, so this 2 will get copied into the value of z. So now the value of z is 2 and print of z, so print of z, z is 2, so print of z is output will be 2. That's it. Thank you. We'll move forward with another example of call by value. This is the another example and solving it using call by value result. As you can see here, a and b are actual parameters and x, y, z, a, b are actual parameters and x, y, z are formal parameters. X, y, z are formal parameters. Now in call by value result, as we know the concept that at the end of function the value of formal will get copied into actual, and it is similar like call by value. It stores the value of formal and actual parameter into different memory. So now a equals to 3 and b equals to 3, a equals to 3, b equals to 3, foo of a plus b, foo of a plus b, which means a plus b 6, a is 3, a is 3. Now when this function will be calling, so foo of 6 comma 3 comma 3, the value of a plus b is 6, a is 3. Now a plus b and the value of x will be same, x, y and z. X is 6, y is 3, z is 3. Now y equals to y plus 1, which means y equals to 4, z equals to x plus x, which means z equals to 6 plus 6, 12. This function has been ended. Now the value of formal will get copied into actual. So the value of formal, the value of y and the value of z will get copied into the value of a, because at last the value of formal will get copied into the value of actual. So a and b are actual, x, y, z are formal. the value of y and z will get copied into the value of a. But here there are two a's. Then we can see that at last the value of a can be 4, because the value of y will get copied into a and the value of z will also get copied into a. The value of a may be 4 or 12. After this function has been called, the value of, like, the print statement will work. So printf of a, here a may be 4, maybe 12. Printf a, output may be 4 or 12. Thank you.